we went to Jamaica, and I can say that Jamaican food was disgusting. I couldn't get with it. I couldn't get with it. You know.
Caribbean people are not people you want to ramp with, but you see Jamaican people? Jamaican people are not a set of people you want to ramp with. You are going to get words flung at you that you're not going to understand, but you're going to feel. You're going to feel it. You're going to be like, this don't feel good.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. It's underscore Kisaka is my channel YouTube name. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button, like this video, and share it out. Recently, Miss Netta, one TikToker from USA, was in Jamaica. They were cruising through the Caribbean islands, and he or she came to Jamaica, and she did a video. She went live on TikTok, and she posted a video talking about the Jamaican food. And what she said, quoting her words, is the Jamaican food she said that Jamaican food was disgusting. After the wrath of Jamaicans, most of the Jamaicans came online attacking her or defending their food. And she once again came back with another video which she apologized. These are some of the videos that I've compiled. The first video is the one that he or she went live, and then the second one is the one that she offered an apology.
You know, we went to Jamaica, and I can say that Jamaican food was disgusting. I couldn't get with it. I couldn't get with it. You know, so even they fried chicken at their little generic KFC wasn't even good to me. But Jamaican food just gave me a whole different taste. And I can't say that I did not like that. They did not. I mean, it was, and then not only that, the drink had Jamaican juices, and you know, all of that tastes totally different from our American food. And it was not what I wanted. I wanted some fried chicken and some pinto beans, and you know they wasn't gonna have no food. I can't say the food wasn't good. I'm not gonna say the food was not good, but what I can say is it wasn't nothing. It wasn't something that I really wanted. Y'all make sure y'all go in the bio and make sure that y'all purchase these lovely Miss Netta and Charles seasoning. And then again, thank you guys so much for y'all support. Thank you guys so very much for purchasing the seasons. Thank y'all so much. And again, I want to mention it one more time before I get off of here, because I'm not going to probably address it anymore again. I want to give my deepest apology to the Jamaican communicate people, and I want to let them know that I apologize for saying that their food was bad. I didn't mean it like that their food was bad. What I meant was that the resort that we stayed on, food was not good at all. But I did not mean to you guys that y'all have bad food and y'all food is nasty. I did not mean that. So any of y'all that's watching, that's thinking about going to Jamaica, the food ain't nasty. Just don't go to the resort I went to. Just stay away from the resorts. Go to the restaurants and stuff like that. Don't eat their food. Because I guarantee you, I promise you, if our cars and stuff would have been working, we would have been at a restaurant in Jamaica. Okay? But we couldn't. So that was our fault. It wasn't Jamaican's fault or nothing like that. That was our fault. But again, I'm sorry. Thank y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all for watching. My seasons is in the bio. And I love all of y'all as well too. And just like I say, y'all, today is Tuesday. It is a blessed Tuesday. God has created all of us with. We woke up this morning, baby. We are here. At least these 5,000-6,000 people that's on this live. And those are ones that didn't wake up this morning, y'all, I pray for their family. And I hope everything go well and everything, you know, stay strong. Because I know a lot of people did not wake up this morning, you know. So I really pray, keep, you know, my prayers into, you know, each family that lost a loved one that didn't wake up this morning, because we did. We woke up this morning. That's why I say we got to give God all the praise. So by that being said, y'all, if ain't nobody told y'all today that they love y'all, then guess what? God loves you, and so do Miss Netta. Peace. Go get these seasonings.
Also, Jamaicans were enraged. The Jamaicans, some of the videos that are of showing Jamaicans, enraged Jamaicans defending themselves or attacking her are out. But I had to delete some of the, or rather, I didn't. I had to not to show all of the videos that the Jamaicans were reacting to her, because most of these videos, you know how Jamaicans are, they use big words. Some of the words involving the F words, the BS words, etc. So I've just compiled some few videos of Jamaicans who reacted, but in a nice way. And these are some of the reactions.
Jamaican food, no matter where you go in the world, people are always going to talk about how delicious Jamaican food is. And the thing is, you can meet somebody and they're saying, oh, I had a coworker and he's Jamaican. Oh, I had a friend, she is Jamaican. Oh, I had a, someone so and they're Jamaican and they cook for us and the food was delicious. Those are the comments that you're going to hear. Like, you're going to hear, because us Jamaican people, we love our food and we like to introduce our food to people. It's part of our culture. We're going to give you some of our food. We're going to make sure that you taste our oxtail. We're going to make sure you taste our curry chicken or our jerk chicken. We are so proud of our food because we were taught to cook at an early age. So we are very comfortable having you try our dishes. And for her to go to Jamaica and say that our food was disgusting, this was clear intention. She meant exactly what she said, because this is why she come for us, for likes and views. That's it.
Guys, why me hear say Miss Nita say she go to Jamaica and our food taste nasty? Which Jamaica? Land of food and water? Swiss Jamaica we not left here? Which Jamaica? Me not understand. Miss Nita will look like you boil the red sachets in Jamaica for too long. Me not understand. You boil them and left them and them get cool. Me not. Ooh, which Jamaica when them a talk?
Well, I just saw the video of what Netta said about Jamaican food. And this is exactly why Caribbean people that say stay out of our business. A couple of things. Macaroni pie and baked macaroni are two different dishes. Yes, they are comprised of the same thing, but the preparation is different. There are differences. So just because you see mac and cheese doesn't mean that it's what you know. And no, people don't have to stop making something because you don't like it. A couple of other things now. You have to have belly to deal with a lot of Caribbean cuisine. Nana could have said, you know what? It's a little spicy for me, which is understandable. You could have said, you know what? I had this, and this type of dish. I didn't really like the texture of it. There were so many things you could have said instead of calling people's cultural food disgusting. That's why I was not distracted by Mr. Man who was making the thing in his pants dance, calling doubles the way it looked disgusting. I didn't forget that. Even though he said it tastes good, but you don't look at someone's food and say, oh, this looks disgusting. Who raised you? Were you dragged up? I said what I said. And if you don't like how something tastes, you have to keep in mind you are outside of your culture. And you have to say, you know what? I don't like, because I know plenty of Jamaicans that don't like ackee. Me, I love ackee. But I know plenty of Jamaicans that don't like it. But they're not going to turn around and say, oh, in someone's face, oh, your food is disgusting. They would just say, oh, no, thank you. Oh, that's not for me. Oh, I really don't like that too much. They're not going to disrespect a whole set of people by saying that they're cultural foods, that they prepare with love. Let me tell you something. People from the Caribbean cook food with love. You understand? Is loving that food. And for you to turn around and say it's disgusting, I can't wait for the universe to shake you up, because that's exactly what it's going to do. And you just keep putting your gigantic foot in your big fat mouth. And to close, Caribbean people are not people you want to ramp with, but you see Jamaican people? Jamaican people are not a set of people you want to ramp with. You are going to get words flung at you that you're not going to understand, but you're going to feel. You're going to feel it. You're going to be like, this don't feel good. And you deserve it. For the most part, I'll be like, yo, y'all be picking on that, y'all be picking on that, y'all be picking on that. And then I see why. I see why.
Okay, guys, so my view of this video is that this guy is, I think he's, irrespective of, he didn't put whatever he said. He was not mindful at the time that he said that, but he's also using, according to me, he's using Jamaicans for clout, because looking at the videos, the one that he is offering an apology, he is also selling his product, the season product, bearing in mind that these are an online couple that are doing most of their videos that entails cooking. And in this cooking, he has some seasons that he's selling out. And don't get me wrong when I call him a he, because to many, they refer to her as Miss Netta. But after the video came up of Netta attacking Jamaicans, I had to dig deeper and discover who exactly are these guys. And in one of the websites, I discovered that it is written that he was born a man. But what he is doing, I don't know whether he is trying to promote the rainbow kind of agenda, or he is just doing it for social media. I understand there are people who act as in line with one gender, but they are a different gender just for acting and online. So she has been appearing online saying that they're online couples, but in real sense, he is a man. So this guy, to me, he is using Jamaicans for clout. I think he just decided to mention Jamaicans because he knows very well that when you mention Jamaicans, they'll come up and attack. They'll come up and defend themselves. And it is not, I don't know whether he is okay with those words, because there are some people who came up and started body shaming him. I cannot do that, but what I've discovered is that he is using Jamaicans for clout, bearing in mind, of course, by selling that product. And also, it is not right for whether he was doing it for clout or he was just saying it, but what, according to me, he was doing it for clout. You don't have to call the food of other people as disgusting. Find a way to refer to it. If you are not contented with maybe it was a bit highly chili, something of the sort, say it that way, but don't wholly just say that the food was disgusting. And bearing in mind, you're talking to Jamaicans. These are people who don't take things lightly, and when you offend them, they'll come back attacking or defending themselves. Most of the Jamaicans love to defend themselves. Also, they left the United States going to the Caribbean, and when they landed to Jamaica, what were they experiencing? What was their intention to travel all the way? If they wanted to experience the cuisine or different cuisine of the Caribbean, then why is it that he was talking about American food? You can't come from all the way from America and then come to Jamaica to look for an American food. They would have just stayed in America to experience or rather enjoy their food. So this is my view. This is my 2 cents. You can also share out some of your 2 cents about this situation. What do you think? Personally, I think the way I put it, they are doing it for clout. And also, looking at these online couples, they could be relatives. I think they are just doing it for just online to earn for some money, but maybe they have a different kind of life. This is my 2 cents. Or maybe you are in near them and you know them very well. You can comment down on the comment section. Another thing I'll say, that Jamaican food is rated among the best. This is in some of the articles. In one of the articles, I've forgotten the article, it was rated among the second best food in the world. And this is the article was entails the tourism things and stuff. And then recently in the year 2022, there was a competition in Florida, USA, and different nations were presenting their cuisine and language and sort of, and Jamaica emerged the first. So these are just some of the examples. So you can't say that the whole food of Jamaica is disgusting. Even though at the end, in the apology, you have realized that he was talking about the resort that they visited, that their food was disgusting. So this has been the video for today. You can leave your comment, your views about what do you think about this whole situation. Cheers, guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing it out. See you on my next video. Cheers.
I see the Jamaica with all the X on there. I'm going to go on the live and I'm going to I'm going to tap on your name and I'm going to come on there and I'm going to send you my own personal apology to yourself. Because that's what I was doing last night. I was going to, every time I seen a Jamaica post a video of me, or they sent me a video or whatever, I went to their inbox and I gave them my apology personally, but I can't do it to everybody. And a lot of them forgave me. Thank y'all so much for the gift. A lot of them forgave me because I did, like I said, like I said, but they did say, Miss Netta, next time when you go on live, watch what you say and how you say it. And that's like everybody. Everybody needs to watch what they say and how they say it. But I looked at the video myself and I was like, oh my God, like, I did say that. I did say that I don't like Jamaican food and it was disgusting to me. I did say that. I was like, oh my goodness. But I also left out that I didn't say that the result that we stayed on where the food was nasty at. That's what the problem came in on. But anyway, my apologies to you guys out there in Jamaica. I did not mean that everybody's food is disgusting in Jamaica. I just meant that particular result that we stayed in, food was just, I couldn't eat it. So if I had my debit card was linked on, or Charles and I, his debit card, and we would have had our debit card going, but believe me, we would have went around Jamaica and we would have tried some of Jamaican food. Because that's what we really went to Jamaica for, was for the food. Because we heard that Jamaican have good food. So I'm like, okay, but the place that we stayed at, the food was not good. So we didn't get a chance to go to different places. So just like I said, due to problems with our debit cards and stuff, because we was out of the United States. So, of course, charges going on your card, they shut our cards down. So, but we did got our cards back working, but it was like the next day we was leaving that morning, and we was like, oh Lord, we just don't got time to, to go places and stuff like that. But we didn't get a chance to try none of the Jamaican restaurant food. We did not.